Hey guys, welcome back to Mascara Monday. I have blue eyes today. I'm wearing contacts from Desio. I love their contacts so much. I've talked about them in a couple of videos, but I'm actually gonna be, I'm actually gonna be collabing with them again soon, so look for that. But today is Mascara Monday. Today, we are going to be talking about the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. So this is a little sample size. What's this hair doing? I don't remember where I got this. Guys, I got this in like some type of box, I believe, because where else would I have gotten a sample size mascara? Some type of box. You can get this at Sephora for $26. I thought it would be more than that. Marc Jacobs, yeah, maybe. I don't know, $26. Okay, so let's read the description. It says it's an ultra volumizing mascara that delivers instant dimension for epic lashes. Experience ultimate volume in the look of thick, false lashes with Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. The lash maximizing curvy brush places the most volume at the hard to reach center lash line. And in the defining tip styles, lashes for major drama. Super concentrated black pigment delivers the greatest visual impact in the flash volume complex. Creates instant smudge proof length and volume in 3 strokes or less. Velvet Noir gives you the thickest lashes in one sweep. Inspired by Marc Jacobs' first beauty memory of his mother. Oh, is this gonna make me cry? It's his first beauty memory of his mother, carefully shaving fibers from a velvet ribbon to create her own couture faux lashes. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Research results, 1,800% more volume in 3 strokes. 300% more volume in 1 stroke. 1,800%. How is that measured exactly? I'd like to know. Okay, let's just start applying this because I'm really anxious to see 1,800%. Okay, it's making my lashes kind of long.
I know that something is off, that feeling mutual. Yeah, but you should know this is confusing, yo. Communication ain't the same as what we used to know, girl.
All right, let's talk about it. So I don't even feel the need to curl my lashes. I like to curl my lashes after I apply mascara. I like to curl it before and after I apply mascara. I don't know how I feel about it for my bottom lashes. I feel like it almost might be too much. I went very lightly on my bottom lashes. I don't like to have a lot there, just something. Like, I don't like the look of like crazy top lashes and nothing on the bottom lash. I think that looks really funny. So I like something there, but I feel like this might be too much for my bottom lashes. It definitely is like a thicker, ooh, I don't know. This formula is great. It might be in my top 10. It might. I totally will pay the money for the full price. I really, really like this. I don't know if it's new. I don't know when it came out. I don't even remember where I got it from. I'd have to go back in my videos and watch. If you guys have tried this mascara, you should comment down below and let me know. And as always, if there's a mascara that you want to see featured on Mascara Monday, let me know and I will feature it. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.